Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store, follow these step-by-step instructions to link your custom domain properly. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to Settings in the bottom left corner, then click on Domains. Step 2. Click Connect Existing Domain and enter your Namecheap domain name in the field provided. Shopify will guide you through the connection process. Step 3. Shopify will display DNS records you need to add in Namecheap. Keep this window open as you'll need to copy these values. The records typically include an A record and a C name record. Step 4. Open a new browser tab and log into your Namecheap account at namecheap.com. Navigate to the Domain List section to view all your domains. Step 5. Click Manage next to the domain you want to connect to Shopify, then select Advanced DNS from the Domain Management options. Step 6. Remove any existing A records and C name records that might conflict with Shopify's requirements. Click the trash icon next to each record to delete them. Step 7. Add the new DNS records provided by Shopify. For the A record, set the host to @ and paste Shopify's IP address. For the C name record, set the host to www and point it to your Shopify URL. Step 8. Save all changes in Namecheap. Return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. DNS propagation may take up to 48 hours, after which your domain will display your Shopify store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.